Look at these brats. They're going so fast. They think being fastest is coolest. Tiffany, being faster is not cooler. What? I could be faster than you, but I don't want to. I'm trying to enjoy my ride.
Can you be faster?
Huh? I can, but I don't want to.
Let's go, Daddy. Let's go back.
Oh, no you didn't. Tiffany! If I beat you, I could beat you.
Okay, do it.
If I beat you, then what? Huh? Huh?
Then you win.
Huh?
Then you win.
Yeah, and then I'll be cooler than you. Huh? It's not about being cool? Then what is it? Huh? Awesome and pretty. Okay, I'm giving up. I'm gonna go slow now. Yes. Look at these people leaving me behind. Woo! Huh? I know, you're leaving me behind.
Let's go faster.
Oh yeah, Tiffany, if you were riding your own bike, you would be slower than me. Yeah, huh? Yes, you would.